On a Saturday morning, Coffee Break Silk Painting welcomed a heartwarming family gathering. The organizer, Anna, arrived with her daughter, granddaughter, and daughters-in-law, bringing with them a special Christmas gift artistic experience filled with warmth, connection, and creativity. As they settled in, the space quickly became alive with laughter, anticipation, and a sense of joy. Everyone took their seats, eager to begin their creative journey. From focused listening to the careful first brushstrokes, a quiet excitement filled the air. Colors gently blended into the silk, each stroke capturing a moment in time, as if using pigments to preserve the beauty of the present. Soft conversations intertwined with the flowing colors, bringing each painting to life, while the initial hesitation gradually turned into confidence. With every stroke, the artwork slowly took shape, and the joy of creation became more evident in every moment. The room was filled with smiles, warm conversations, and the quiet focus of artistic expression. Laughter and colors spread gently across the silk, forming a harmonious and peaceful scene. Each artwork became a reflection of the artist's imagination, carrying emotions and stories within its patterns. Time seemed to slow down as everyone immersed themselves in the creative process, allowing their creativity to flow freely and effortlessly. As the workshop progressed, participants' confidence grew, and what once seemed like small mistakes turned into delightful surprises. Each completed painting told its own unique story through color and form, becoming a tangible memory of the experience. When the participants finally looked at their finished pieces, a sense of pride and fulfillment was evident in their expressions. Anna looked around the room, her face glowing with warmth and happiness. She turned to me, gently patted my shoulder, and smiled as she said, "Thank you for this wonderful experience." Her words filled my heart with joy, and in that moment, I knew that Coffee Break Silk Painting had once again fulfilled its mission. Art had once again brought people together, fostering connection, creativity, and shared experiences. A simple gathering had transformed into a meaningful and unforgettable memory, reminding us of the beauty that can be found in artistic expression. Would you like to experience this joy as well? Visit www.miuartstudio.co.uk to book your own silk painting workshop and let the colors flow, capturing beautiful moments in the joy of creation. Whether you are a beginner or someone who loves to create, you are always welcome here. Coffee Break Silk Painting, relax through art. We look forward to welcoming you soon.